dashboard.
Okay, Gary. Where we at?
Where are we?
Yeah.
The hell was that fell open?
What'd you throw out the window? You litter bug?
It was a fly on me, and I opened the window so he would fly away.
Oh.
If he bit you, don't worry, he'll die.
Kiss my ass.
Oh, we're gonna put that right on the old internet.
This is supposed to be G-rated.
It's supposed to be. We're
Nothing got me.
we're outside of LeGrand, Oregon, on Highway 84. Beautiful through here. A lot of smoke though.
I wonder if I could put that right
Yeah,
there.
you can just set her anywhere you want. Twist its legs. There you
The
go.
other one, the front one, lower, so it'll lean that way.
He's got it. He got it, Peanut Gallery.
He's having trouble, asshole.
There goes that
I mean,
GP
Mary.
rating. There goes our GP rating again.
Now, I guess it's still filming when he goes black.
See what?
Is it still filming when he goes black?
Yep. You touch your screen, it'll come back on. There you go.
I didn't know
Beautiful through here. I don't remember what they called this canyon, but we're going to, where are we going to tonight?
that. Pendleton, Oregon. 45 miles away.
Yeah, we're almost there. Had a wonderful day of traveling so far. This is nice.
They don't stay down there too good.
It is.
This would be a good motorcycle ride.
Oh, it is. So where'd we stop and have lunch? Peanut Gallery. You're going to answer anyway. Where'd
At
we-
the Plaza Inn restaurant.
And what town was that?
I think that was something started with an O, maybe.
Orlando.
No, it wasn't Orlando. Ontario.
Yeah.
What was the name? The Plaza Inn.
Plaza Inn restaurant. Really
Yeah.
good food. Fast service.
Well,
Large
That's fast.
helpings.
as fast as they could.
Yeah.
They were packed.
And they did it faster than any other place, I think. They were really good.
Yeah.
Mhm. Quick to clean the table for more. They were steady coming in.
Lots of motorcycles on this little road.
Yeah. This is pretty riding country.
Glad we ain't got to chain up.
Yeah, that would mean there's a lot of ice and snow. And vehicles in Louisiana plates don't do well in snow.
The drivers don't for sure.
Yeah. Hell, at home, truthfully, when it snows, the people act like just like it's rain on the road. You know, they just drive. You know, they know they can stop. They don't realize it'll be 100 yards before they hit the brakes.
What kind of camera are we filming with there, Charlie?
A GoPro 13.
13. Huh.
I think it's a 13.
I don't know. It could be, but it says 12 on it.
Oh, well, okay. Well, you know, I'm only one number off.
Yeah, one number. Well, I think this is the first time you've used this going down the road like this.
Absolutely. And it showed.
No show, yeah, we ain't seen the video. It could be perfect.
Baby, can I make a suggestion?
Uh-huh.
Not you, baby, the other baby.
Uh-huh.
If you push that up a little forward to where that first little thing pointing towards it, getting that dash a little bit, it'll stay up there and you ain't got to keep pushing it, the leg on your camera.
Oh, I know what you're talking about. Yeah,
Yeah.
I
As
know.
long as it don't hit the windshield.
It'll hit the windshield, baby. It ain't long enough.
Oh, okay. Well,
We got some things we can stick right here, like on my pickup. Stick it right there, then you can, but you can't use that.
I think this is about where we broke down, wasn't it?
No, it could have been on this pass.
It was on this path. It was on a hill.
Because I remember we were just flying by everybody like They're going, wow, this thing is working good.
We get to the top of this hill and it just fucking died.
Oh my god.
Well, it was just a knocking and a banging.
Oh
Oh no, it
shit.
wasn't the computer, it was an ejector.
Ejector.
That was bad. Might have been at the top of this hill.
Son of a gun.
It was at the summit, wherever the summit is.
How'd you get where you was going?
And then we had to get down.
Oh, so you just coasted down? Oh,
Well, it would run, it just wasn't running good.
wow.
We had our big fishbowl trailer on the back.
Oh my gosh.
It sucked.
Yeah.
And then that's when we went and ate dinner at the casino, and we were staying in their parking lot for the night
Mm-hmm.
because we couldn't check into the RV park until the next day. We had reservations for 2 nights.
Right.
That's when I got food poisoning.
Oh shit.
I don't think this is, I think we got to go down and then back
Bad
up.
trip. Started out bad.
Should have just turned around and went home then, huh?
But we didn't have a home. No problem.
Oh shit.
We had our home with us.
Oh.
All the smoke out there.
What do you have to do when you get it worked on? They take it off and you stay in it right there where they're working on it?
Gary left it around into the RV park the next morning.
Uh-huh.
And I just laid in the bath. I was so sick.
I bet.
I didn't even look out for a couple of days. I didn't know where I was.
Damn, girl.
And we called the mechanic. We lucked out and found a really good mechanic. And
Wow.
he made arrangements for them to come get the truck. They put it onto a flatbed
Uh-huh.
truck and took it to the shop and worked on it. And I think they had got it fixed really fast.
How awesome.
And we took it the rest of the way down the Oregon coast, down to Arizona, and never had one problem.
That was fortunate to find something so quick
Yeah.
and somebody so honest.
He was
and
very
capable.
honest.
Yeah.
He was very honest. He did a good job.
Probably could give me some silicone, just stick it right here.
I just put you a thing on here. You can take them off when you know. Well, you got the suction cup.
She ain't let me put shit over here.
I'll put it on tonight. She won't say nothing to me.
Hey, you bet. Do you really think?
They make a bag you can set right there with the mount on it.
I had one in bean bag.
Yeah.
With this little circle where you can suction cup to it.